People ask me why I got interested in the question of roads collapsing. The answer is simple. I was involved in such a collapse at one time. I'll tell you about that. It was a number of years ago. My wife and I were living in rural Massachusetts in the United States at the time. We were just coming back from a vacation in Oregon in the Pacific Northwest, and we picked up a tweet from our neighbor. She said, "You gotta talk to me before you drive back home." So we gave her a call, and she said, "Well, don't turn into your driveway because your driveway is not there." And she said, "Well, actually I should explain. This town has 3 roads coming into it. One from the south, one from the west, and one from the east." She said, "Don't come into the road from the south because it's collapsed. And don't come in on the road from the west because you can't get through there either." Well, that suited us fine. We'd normally come in on the road from the east anyway, which we did. Parked at the top of where our driveway had used to be, went home, greeted our cats, and about half an hour later, we were told that the road that we had just driven on had just collapsed. We just missed it, just missed being part of a collapse. Now this was all because of a freak rainstorm that had dumped a huge amount of water on the town in a very short period of time. But all through the next couple of weeks, roads were collapsing. The Massachusetts Highway Department is really pretty modern and pretty well equipped, but they had no way of knowing where these things were going to happen. They just had to wait until the roads collapsed and fix them. And it seemed to me that it should be possible to discover where there was a problem without waiting for it to collapse underneath somebody. So that's the story of how I got interested in it. Since then, I've come to realize that roads are collapsing all the time. You go to Google and take a look. You see any place in the world, any time of year, you'll find catastrophic collapses of various sorts.